Hello everyone, welcome to making Injera unfiltered part 3. Today we are making it from corn and all-purpose flour for the very first time. As always, the measurements will be in the description below. Truth be told, I was trialing different injera recipes and I totally forgot about this dough or batter. I did it in the morning around 11 a.m. and I supposed to go back and thin it out in the evening and bake it the next day. That was the plan, but I forgot. However, I did decide to go ahead and bake it anyway. As you can see, the batter is very thick and my first little injera looks like pancake. I added warm water to thin it out and it worked out good. This tells me how forgiving this recipe is because sometimes if you add water to injera batter, it won't turn out good. Overall, I'm pleasantly surprised with the outcome of this recipe. It came out more than I expected. It was delicious too. So this is all there is to this video. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next one. Do let me know if you try. I would love to hear from you. Thank you. Bye for now.